Hello to everyone. I am Abhishek Mandal, a student of BHMK 6th Sem in front of you, presenting my drink named as Herbal Booster. It will boost your immunity system. The reason to give the name a Herbal Booster because this drink will definitely boost your immune system, and the ingredients I am using in this, they are very good for boosting the immune system. They help you to boost by different ways. Here we go with the ingredients. Here we have first ingredient named as Giloy, which is used for boost immunity, treat chronic fever, improve digestion, treat diabetes, reduce stress and anxiety. The next ingredient I am using it is ginger. It can reduce your risk of diabetes. It may lower your risk of cancer. It can also calm morning sickness. Here we have a next ingredient which help you to natural source of iron, lower your body temperature, plant blood sugar level, improve your immunity system. Here we have a next ingredient is mint leaf, which help in rich in nutrient and help relieve in indigestion, could improve brain function, may mask bad breath. Here our next ingredient is lemon, helps in weight loss, boosts the immunity system, increasing iron absorption, preventing asthma and blood pressure. And the next ingredient is coriander leaf, help in immunity system, may fight infection, protect brain health, benefit heart health, and may help lower blood sugar. Let's start with the drink. First we have taken a glass. In this glass I will put my ingredients, then we will use in this shaking method. First what are different things I am using in this. First I will take a little bit of black salt in this. Little bit of black salt I am using in this. Then I am using a black pepper powder, little bit of black pepper powder in this. Next I am using a cumin powder. This cumin powder is made by home only. Little bit of a pinch of a cumin powder I am using in this. Here, just for making this drink, I have made my own syrup in my home by blending the ingredients, by blending coriander, mint and ginger and green chili. I have made this by blending this all ingredients. I made this syrup. This syrup is made by me in my home. Now I am putting this syrup in this. I am using this syrup. I am putting 2 shots in this. I have used this shot glass. As you know, I doesn't have any equipment, so I am using this shot glass. I have taken 2 shot glass in this ingredient. I have put in syrup, 2 shots. Then I am using the next ingredient is which. Here I am using the next ingredient which I have made by home. First I have made by boiling glowing water and putting some ginger in it. I have added little bit of ginger and 4, 5 sticks of glowing. I have just boiled it for a half an hour. Then I have just put it in refrigerator for a few minutes that it has been cold. This is my water. You can look for this, how it's color. It's like look like a coconut water. Have a look for this. Just I'll put by this glass by measuring this. 1, 2, 3, 4, as you use this, I'll put little bit of it. The reason to put this glowy water, because this, as I have told, this glowy water is good for your immunity system. It helps in improve your immunity booster. It helps you to boost your immunity system. And these all the ingredients I'm using, it will help give you taste to your drink, and it will definitely increase your immunity system, and it will definitely boost it. Now I will use by shaking to mix this all ingredients. Now I will use this my own homemade shakers. Instead we don't have a shaker, so we are using a glass. You can also use this to shake your drink. Now first we have to put the drink in it. Then put it to the glass side. Then put it. Now then this side. Now we'll pour the drink. There I have taken the glass. It is looking good, and the drink will definitely look good in this glass. Here now to pour a drink. Before pouring, I have put my glass for chilling. I have to put an ice on also in it. You will have a look for this. Just now time to pour the drink. Yes, I'm pouring my drink. You can look, have a look. I put the ice in it. Now it's time for a garnishing. I will garnish my drink with this lemon slices. I have taken the lemon slices. I have already cut it because I am not having a chopping board near to me. So I have to put this lemon slices in it. Then I will use a little pinch of a cumin seed in it to give a tangy flavor to it and have some taste it. And now at last I will use 2 mint leaves, a little bit of mint for garnishing. You can have a look for my drink.